Kingdom Monera. Bacteria are the sole members of the kingdom Monera. They are the most abundant microorganisms. Bacteria occur almost everywhere. Hundreds of bacteria are present in a handful of soil. They also live in extreme habitats such as hot springs, deserts, snow, and deep oceans, where very few other life forms can survive. Many of them live in or on other organisms, parasites. Shapes of bacteria. Bacteria are grouped under 4 categories based on their shape. The spherical is called coccus, the rod-shaped is bacillus, the comma-shaped is vibrio, and the spiral is spirillum bacteria. Nutrition in bacteria. Mode of nutrition in bacteria can be autotrophic or heterotrophic. Autotrophic bacteria prepare their own food. Heterotrophic bacteria depend on others for their food. Autotrophic mode of nutrition can be photoautotrophic or chemoautotrophic. Photoautotrophic use light energy, and chemoautotrophic bacteria derive energy from the chemical reactions. Heterotrophic bacteria can be parasitic or saprophytic. Parasitic bacteria live on or inside other plants and animals. Saprophytic bacteria depend on dead organisms. Archaebacteria. These bacteria are special since they live in some of the most harsh habitats, such as extreme salty areas called as halophiles, hot springs called as thermoacidophiles, and marshy areas called as Methanogens. Methanogens harvest energy by converting hydrogen and carbon dioxide into methane gas. They are anaerobic and live in the intestinal tracts. Halophiles are salt-loving bacteria. They live in Great Salt Lakes and Dead Sea. Thermophiles live in acid environments and in high temperatures, such as in hot springs and in volcanic vents. Methanogens are present in the gut of several ruminant animals such as cows and buffaloes, and they are responsible for the production of methane or biogas from the dung of these animals. Eubacteria. Eubacteria are thousands of different bacteria which are falling under the category of true bacteria. They are characterized by presence of rigid cell wall, and if they are motile, they have the flagellum. Cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria is also referred to as blue-green algae. They have chlorophyll A, which is similar to green plants, and are photosynthetic autotrophs. Cyanobacteria are unicellular, colonial, or filamentous, freshwater, or marine, or terrestrial algae. The colonies are generally surrounded by gelatinous sheath. They often form blooms in polluted water bodies. Some of the organisms can fix nitrogen in the specialized cell, which is called heterocyst. Examples are nostoc and anabina. Chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria. They oxidize various inorganic substances such as nitrates, nitrites, and ammonia and use the released energy for their ATP production. They play a great role in recycling nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, iron, and sulfur. Nitrosomonas is an example of chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria. Heterotrophic bacteria. Heterotrophic bacteria are the most abundant in nature. The majority are important decomposers. Many of them have a significant impact on human lives. Uses of bacteria. They are helpful in making curd from milk, production of antibiotics, fixing nitrogen in legume roots, etc. Legumes are able to form a symbiotic relationship with nitrogen-fixing soil bacteria called rhizobia. Symbiotic relationship between nitrogen-fixing bacteria and leguminous plants. Bacteria can convert atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia. Ammonia, in turn, can be used by plants as nutrients. Diseases caused by bacteria. Cholera, typhoid, tetanus, citrus canker are well-known diseases caused by different bacteria. Cholera is caused by Vibrio cholerae, typhoid is caused by Salmonella typhosa, syphilis is caused by Treponema pallidum, leprosy is caused by Mycobacterium leprae, pneumonia is caused by pneumococcus, and tetanus is caused by Clostridium tetani. These are the diseases which are caused by bacteria in human beings. Diseases caused by bacteria in plants are soft rot of turnip, citrus canker, fire blight of apple, crown gall, and bacterial blight of rice. Thank you.